The leave year-end process is an annual exercise conducted at the end of the leave year. It ensures that all leave-related details, such as lapses, encashments, and carry-forward balances are in place before the next leave year begins. On greytHR, you can choose to complete your leave year-end process in one of two ways, automatic or manual. This video will help you understand how to complete your leave year-end process automatically. The primary output of the process, when done correctly, is the accurate opening balance of leaves for all employees, a crucial element in leave management. So, let's take a closer look at this feature. While working on greytHR, you would have noticed a banner talking about the greytHR leave year-end process. By default, the automatic leave year-end is set up in your account. You can always click here on the edit button to make changes at your convenience. From the banner, you need to select the first option to continue with the automatic leave year-end process, which is, yes, I would relax and let greytHR do the work. You can provide a convenient date if required and click on Submit. When the new leave year begins, greytHR servers will get the leave year-end process done for you on the set date. However, as an admin, a few things need to be wrapped up for the current leave year as part of the leave administration. Number 1. Ensure no leave requests are pending approval. This is to ensure all employees are considered for the leave year-end activity. Number 2. Set up a holiday calendar for the upcoming leave year. Finally, on the set date, the automatic leave year-end process will happen. Let's move on to the first task, clear the pending leave application. Click here to navigate to the page from the banner. The tab displays the pending leave applications that must be approved before proceeding to the next level of the leave year-end process. Select the employees and click on Reminders email to send an email to all the reviewers. As an admin, you can always accept or reject these requests from here. The Year-End Policy tab displays the leave schemes with the associated leave policies. Click on the scheme. Now, you can see the list of leave types available under this scheme. If required, make changes to the current leave policy with respect to the number of days to be lapsed, encashed, or carried forward. Click on the Edit button to modify the leave policy, such as leave carry forward limit, lapsing, encashment, etc. Follow the same procedure to modify the other leave types under this scheme. Now it's time for you to relax. Your leave year process on greytHR will happen automatically on the set date. You will receive the leave year reports in your email. The same can also be viewed on the application. After completing the year-end process, if you want to make any changes to the previous year's leave-related data, go to the Leave Overview page and click on the Rollback Year-End button. This process will delete the year-end completed for the leave types and revert the balance. The current year will also be changed to the previous year. Please note, once the necessary changes are done, kindly make sure you complete the year-end process again. Post completion of the leave year-end process, grant leaves for the next year will be enabled. With that, we come to an end. Thank you for watching the greytHR How to video series.